Hello! Welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current NBA Cup Eastern Conference preview. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Quarterfinals will start tomorrow in the Eastern Conference. Four teams including Orlando Magic, Atlanta Hawks, New York Knicks, and Milwaukee Bucks will play their quarterfinals game. The New York Knicks emerged victorious in East Group A with an unbeaten record of 4-0, while the Orlando Magic is the wild card team. Milwaukee Bucks triumphed in East Group B after beating all the teams in their group. And the Atlanta Hawks led East Group C with 3-1 record. And here is the seeding for the East Conference quarterfinals matchup. Number 4, Orlando. Number 3, Atlanta. Number 2 is New York Knicks. And the number 1 is the Milwaukee Bucks. Milwaukee will play Orlando Magic. And New York Knicks will be versus Atlanta Hawks. The Orlando Magic snagged the East wildcard berth, and the Milwaukee went unbeaten and boasted the top point differential of 50 points. Franz Wagner is the focal point on Magic offense. He has boosted his scoring at 25.8 points per game and scored at least 29 in each of the group play games. However, he was injured due to torn obliques. Two of the best players for Orlando Magic will not be playing due to injury, while the remaining Magic player be enough against a Bucks team with twin turbos of Giannis Antetokounmpo and Damian Lillard. Each has averaged 29.3 in cup play so far. Running the Bucks offense off the three-point line is essential for Orlando to win. Orlando allows the fewest attempts, 32.7% in the league, but the Bucks open peace there, especially at home, with 39.7%. Among the teams played by Orlando Magic, in the group play, only New York Knicks is in the top 6 of the standings, and eventually, they lost to that team. Almost the same case for Milwaukee Bucks, except that they won all their games in the group play. Overall, the Milwaukee Bucks has a slight advantage over the depleted Orlando Magic lineup. The second matchup will be the battle between Trae Young and the Atlanta Hawks and Jalen Brunson and the New York Knicks. The Atlanta Hawks has 3-1 record in the East Group C. Their cup ambitions lit up when they beat Boston, outscoring the home Celtics 63-51 in the second half. They clinched their group with another impressive victory versus the Cleveland Cavaliers. Atlanta Hawks beat the top two elite teams in the Eastern Conference. Trae Young led the league in assists per game, posting 12.0 assists every night. They also have Jalen Johnson, and Dyson Daniels as focal point of their offense and defense. However, the New York Knicks have Jalen Brunson and Karl Anthony Towns as their 1-2 punch player and four more guys averaging double figures. The New York Knicks 4-0 record in the East Group A proved their might as a team. Their most notable win is against Orlando Magic, and their head-to-head regular season matchup, the Atlanta Hawks beat New York Knicks last November 6, 2024 in Atlanta. However, New York has boosted its defensive ranking from 19th overall to 9th in the NBA Cup. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.